What's up guys, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Bike Studio. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can make your image pop and stop having a poor quality image. Some designs have poor quality image and that is why they are not good looking to the eye. For example, here on Photoshop you can see this image here. Let's see the previous version of that and look at the previous version of the image. It's very poor. So in this video I want to show you how you can make your image to pop out good. I'm going to be doing this with Photoshop. So here is another image which I edited and it's now looking good here. See the look at the previous version of the image. It is very poor. It is very poor, so dark and it's not that looking good. Okay, so in this tutorial I will be showing you how we are going to achieve this with our Photoshop. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to click on the subscription button and leave a like on this video if you find this interesting. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So we are going to start with a new image. I think I have one image here. Yes, this pastor's image. I'm going to try something with this image, this particular image. This design has already been done, so we're just going to add or make this picture to pop out good. You can try this with any picture of your choice when doing this. So what you're going to do is you head up to your filter, you locate your camera raw filter there. You can see the shortcut to that is Ctrl Shift A. You don't want to stress yourself to head up to the menu bar, click on the filter, all of that. So once you are in your camera raw filter, actually I'm going to link down below in my drive so that you can get these resources. Okay, meanwhile this can help you do this. Actually there are some, let's say there are some plugins, already made plugins where you can actually achieve this. And once you get this, you are just trying to edit, trying to reduce some things and add something before you can achieve this. So what you are going to do is you head up to this part here where you can see this arrow here under the basic. You will see something like this 3 arrow and then this 3 line and then the small arrow dotted down. So what you are going to do is you click on that and then you see all this option. You see something like image setting, camera raw default, and then previous conversion, custom setting, load setting, and save setting. So what you are going to click on is what load setting. So I'll be linking down those resources for you to get. So these are the resources here. I'll be linking them down below. So you are just going to pick up anyone you like, just try to edit. There are many here. There are about at least 15 or so. So I would like to pick up this colored grid. I'll pick up the first one. Let's just try something with this. So pick up the first one, color grid, and then you just click on open. So automatically the thing will load in your camera raw filter. So you can see how the image is now looking. So what you are going to do is just try to reduce the contrast, exposure, the white balance and everything, the clarity. You just try to edit to your own liking till you are satisfied with what you are having. So the first thing I would like to do here, I think let me reduce the contrast a little, try to give it a highlight. All right, okay, I think I should reduce the shadow here again. So let me go down to the blacks. You can see blacks here. If you are using an updated version of Photoshop, yours will be more advanced than mine. I'm using Photoshop CC, so those using Photoshop 2021 2022, you can actually get through this with an ease. Okay, so let me try to increase the white. I think I'm okay with that. I'm using -30, -39 for the white, and then my black I'm using -40. So let me try to reduce the clarity. I think the clarity, I'll leave it at 71, and then increase the vibrance. I'll increase the vibrance. Okay, you can see how the image is now looking. Then I'll try to increase the saturation. Right, let me increase the exposure a little. Alright, the shadow, I will try to reduce that. Okay, so these are just the thing you are going to do in your camera raw filter to make your image come out good and stop using poor quality image. Even though you got an poor quality image from any of these Google or stuff, you can actually do that here by making the image pop. Like the previous image I showed you, they are not that good, so we actually edited them in this Photoshop. So let's see the result of what we have done. Alright, wait for it to load. Okay, it's ready. Alright, you can now see how our image is now looking, and you can see at the background of this flyer here, look at the background, we are having something like red, and on the image you can see a little dot of red. So this image is blending to the background. So while editing it, make sure your image goes with what you are having at the background. Okay, you can see how our image is looking. Let's say the previous version of the image. See the previous version of the image, it is poor, as in I don't like it at all. But once we are having this edited, you can now see how it is looking. Okay, let me let it load. I don't know why it's slow here. Okay, still rendering the smart filters. Okay, this is what we are having. So this is how I do in most of my pictures, in most of my design that have pictures. So get along to get these resources down below, and then try this in any image that you are going to use in your design. Look at this, is looking good. Look at this, they are looking good. So try to make your image pop with these resources I'm going to link down below. So don't forget to leave a like on this video, and then if you are just viewing this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel and make sure you share to others.